In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group texts in Canva. If you've ever arranged multiple text boxes and wish they would move and resize together, grouping is exactly what you need. It keeps your layout consistent, saves time, and makes edits cleaner. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you feel confident using it right away. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the main design canvas. Take a second to position your view of the page. Zoom in or out if it helps you see all the text elements you want to work with. Grouping only affects what you select, so we'll make sure you grab exactly the text you intend. There are two simple ways to select your text. The first method is to click and drag across the canvas to draw a selection box. Begin dragging from an empty area, then extend the box so it touches all the text elements you want to include. When you release the mouse, you'll see bounding boxes appear around the selected text. If you accidentally capture something extra, just click once on the canvas to clear the selection and try again with a tighter drag. The second method is great when your text is spread out or layered. Hold the Shift key, then click each text element you want to group. Each Shift click adds that text box to your selection. You'll know everything is selected when all the intended text elements show their outlines at the same time. With your text selected, right-click anywhere on the selection and choose Group from the menu. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. Either action instantly groups those text boxes into a single unit. From here, you'll notice the group behaves like one object. You can click and drag to move it around, resize it using the corner handles while keeping the spacing intact, or rotate it as a whole. This is especially useful for headlines, labels, or any text that needs to stay perfectly aligned. Duplicating the group will keep everything together as well, so repeating elements stay consistent across your design. A quick tip as you work: make sure you're only selecting the text you want to group. If you include non-text elements by accident, they'll be grouped too, which might not be what you intended, and that's all there is to it. Select your text by dragging or shift-clicking, then right-click and choose Group, or press Ctrl+G. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for clean, professional layouts.